The next station is Mukaigawara. The doors on the left side will open.